No, we don't have their case yet. We have something else that they also presented at Computex this year. And this right here is a desk fan that will try to keep you cool during the summer hot days. And we're talking about ARCTIC's Summair 2Go, which is a bit advanced version from the past versions that I did cover as well. And considering this one, it's actually quite cool because, first of all, it has a stand that is rotatable, as you can see, and it can be fully closed, which is also quite handy because it can, well, it can't fit in a pocket, that's for sure, but you can place it in your backpack or whatever, and you can adjust it any way you wish. So the good thing is that this stand is also rubberized, so it is fixated on the table and it doesn't move. And you're charging it with USB Type-C to USB Type-A, which you get the cable inside the box. You have three indication lights here on the front, which indicate the battery status, and you can charge it here on the side. Now, there is a battery possibility, well, basically to open up the battery pack. You have two screws right here at the back. You untie them and you get the access to the battery. I haven't done it because honestly, since it's rechargeable, I don't think there's any use of going inside and checking it out, but just in case, you have the option for that. And here on the side, you have a wheel that gives you an option to adjust the speed of the fan. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it on. So it has a distinctive click, and I'm not going to talk during this because when I talk, the isolation removes all the background noises in general. So let's start. So that was basically the maximum that you could go with the speed, and I'm going to go through the specifications in just a second. Regarding the fan, of course, it creates noise, of course, because we're running at high RPMs and you don't get that type of RPMs, I think, in the PC case, but we'll get to that part. The design is quite normal. We have Arctic logo here in the middle on front, Arctic logo at the back, so you don't have any wires going through, and that's actually really strange. How did they do that? Now, let me just switch it off just to see this part. There is one of the parts here that is a bit thicker, so you have wires going through here, which is a nice design. And I do have to say one thing regarding this, because I just noticed this. Why don't anybody else do that with in general fans? It's quite simple, quite minimalistic, and yet you don't have, well, basically it is done, but you see it on the other side. So I don't understand why brands in general don't hide the cables even more than they already are. So let's go through some specs. What we have right here is impaler diameter is 91 millimeters. Fan speed, as stated, it goes from 600 to 4000 RPMs. So you have the steepless control here on the side, and you can go up to 4000 RPMs. As I stated, it goes much faster than regular fans, and this is why you get the decibel range quite high. Then we have rotational angle of the stand from 0 to 260 degrees. Power input is 5 volts. Dimensions when it's closed is 140 times 100 times 33. When it's opened by 90 degrees, then it's 140, 168 millimeters. The total weight is 230 grams, and lithium ion NMC 3.7 volts battery with 5000 milliampere hours of capacity. Operational time is from 4 to 74 hours depending on the speed, of course, and charging time is approximately 7 hours at 5 watts. Charging port is USB-C. It's available in white, black, and dark blue. It is really handy and compact with its design and a perfect on-the-go usage. Quite huge battery, to be honest, and 74 hours is quite outstanding. Of course, as I stated, depending on the RPMs of the fans, rubberized bottom part, and really interesting texturized surface. The MSRP will be $21.99, and that is most likely because of the 5000 milliampere hour battery, because the fans, well, it will have a completely different chassis than the past generation. But what I wanted to say is this could be handy for some of you guys that live in those type of areas, regions that are quite maybe humid or just too hot to be handled, even though you have an AC, but not every space, work, or home has an AC connected. So this might be a good solution for that. So basically, ARCTIC Summair 2Go, which comes in 2 colors, 5000 milliampere battery, 4000 RPMs, and you heard everything else. So guys, the links are in the description if you decide to go with something like this that might be quite interesting for you. And that will be all. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.